Hey guys, Chef here, and we are rebranding this channel. It's going to be Entrepreneurial Hacks. And we're going to start off with a series of videos about what businesses that you can start for under $5,000. And one of the first businesses we're going to do is a business I have myself, renting trailers. It's a great business that you can get started for under $5,000, and if you have trailers, even less.
Welcome to Entrepreneur Hacks. If you're looking for a solid side hustle, you can realistically start under $5,000. Trailer rentals might be it. Demand stays steady for moving, hauling, landscaping, you name it. And once set up, it's low daily effort. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to launch a business like mine in 2026, step by step, realistic numbers, and the smartest hacks so you don't waste time or money. Let's get into it. Trailer rentals work because people always need extra hauling power. Weekends are busy. It's semi-passive. Rent it out, collect payment, minimal hands-on after setup. You can start small with one trailer, store it at home or cheap space, and scale later. First, protect yourself. You can run as a sole proprietor. Simple, no extra filing. But you have zero personal asset protection if something goes wrong, like damage claims or accidents. I strongly recommend forming an LLC for that liability shield.
In your state, it's usually easy to do yourself. Go to your Secretary of State's website, file articles of organization online, often around $100 plus any fees, or use a service like LegalZoom if you want help. This is not legal advice. Consult an attorney or accountant for your situation. Insurance is non-negotiable. You'll need general business liability. It covers the business and the trailers if something like theft or damage happens outside of a rental. When a renter tows the trailer, their auto insurance typically covers it for damage during the rental. Make sure they provide proof of valid coverage. Some software lets renters buy extra insurance at checkout. Shop around with a licensed agent for quotes. Expect $500 to $1,500 a year starting. Personally, I run with general liability only. That covers most scenarios for me. Best starter, a 7x14 tandem-axle utility trailer, open style, around $2,000 to $4,000 used. Look on Facebook Marketplace or local dealers. Tandem axles mean if one tire flats, the renter can often limp home safely. Single axle risks stranding them. Consider an enclosed trailer the same size for weather protection. Higher rental rates, but more expensive to buy. Stay under 10,000 pounds GVWR. No CDL required, and easier for renters with regular trucks. Storage. Your driveway or home if you have space, or partner with an auto shop, used car lot, or shopping center for a small monthly fee. Many people do this successfully. Biggest 2026 upgrade. Use specialized trailer rental software. It gives you a pro website, online booking and shopping cart, CRM, inventory calendar, contracts, and payments, all in one. Customers book 24/7 without you answering calls. Top providers for small starters. Bookable. Starts around $29 to $35 a month. Super user-friendly, online bookings, e-sign contracts, great for beginners. Rides rental software, all in one with custom website, scheduler, digital signing, optimized for trailers. Big rentals, solid for inventory and management. Rent flow solutions, another strong option for rentals. Start with a free trial. Bookable has 14 days. This makes you look legit fast, under $600 a year total. Bonus, join the $50 Club Facebook group. Search $50 Club Trailer Rental or check the link in the description. It's $50 a year for contracts, trailer purchase advice, community help. Tons of owners share real details there. Join if you're serious. They answer everything. Pricing. Check local competitors like U-Haul, typically $50 to $100 a day for utility trailers, higher on weekends, discounts for longer or multi-day rentals. Factor in your costs and start competitive. Operations. Start with in-person pickups and drop-offs to learn the ropes. Once comfortable, go touch-free. Software can send unlock codes or key locations. Require deposits for damage. Advertising. Claim your Google Business Profile and Apple Maps. Free local visibility when people search trailer rental near me. Add Google search ads later to drive traffic. Expect $600 to $1,600 a month gross per trailer at 12 to 18 rental days. After costs, 60 to 75% margins possible. Scale by adding trailers. Risks exist, damage, slow seasons, but insurance and smart setup minimize them. If this resonates, comment trailer below, and I'll send you my free starter checklist, software comparison, trailer tips, and more. Subscribe for more under 5K ideas next week. Thanks for watching.